Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is a Modern Jive Intermediate clip. In fact, it's following up from one of our Charleston challenges where we did a Charleston on our own that looked like this. It was normal Charleston, and then we did a flip, and all we're going to do is we're going to be taking that move and turning it into the partnered version. So the partnered version looks like this. Goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the trickiest thing about this is leading and following it. So let's break that down. I'll come to this side so you can probably see more of what's happening. The normal Charleston, my assumption is you've already done all that, and if you haven't learned the solo bit, you want to do that before you try and do it partnered. So you get to do one Charleston. First bit for the next one is the same. We go down. Now we start to go into the tricky territory. So we get kick number 1, and we get lift, but at the same time as we get lift, guys, we've got to cause rotation. So we're turning. Your leg's not going out yet, by the way. We're actually just switching to the other arm, and then we get our second kick, and that's still got to be led by that back arm, guys. So we've got to lift, we put it down, and then it's just like you're leading partner Charleston in mirror image. So we get kick, would have been a double on this side, and again what we do is we cause rotation during the lift, and then we switch arms, lead a kick to the front, put it down, and then we're back to normal Charleston. Normal double kick, normal lead, and probably best to do a single normal Charleston at the end to kind of put things straight before we finishing off as usual. So numbers wise, all of that is covered in the solo. So let's have a go. Man's left, lady's right, and 5, 6, a Charleston flip flop, you go, a back and in. A rock step kick, a double kick, and a rock step kick, kick flip kick, kick flip kick, double kick, rock step, and finishing off with a turn and a return. Now I remember seeing this move being used on the dance floor by a couple of very experienced lady dancers actually doing Lindy Hop, and what they did is they went in the same way, and of course one of the ladies is leading, one of the ladies is following, but they just did one flip, and they used the flip to switch who was leading, because now I'm effectively in the normal follower position and Karen is in the normal lead position. So you can actually use this as a way of passing the lead backwards and forwards as well. All fun ideas to play with. Have a good time, enjoy stuff, like the video, subscribe, hit the bell. You'll know every time a video comes out. We'll see you next time. Cheers.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.